Hello friends, welcome in my this video. In this video I will show you how to share texts or add a common share button in Sketchware. So at first I am setting an app text share. Here at first I should give here I am giving an edit text. Here I am also giving another edit text, and then here I should give the width match parent, and here the width is match parent and it is also match parent. Now the linear 2 I have to increase the height to 5000. Here you see I have set a button here and set edit share. Now we have to go to event view and go to button 1. Now create two string variables, a and another b string variable. Now string variables 2 and then text view get text. Edit text 1 and edit text 2. Now create a new component intent naming I. Now give a add source directly block and give here block. Give here these codes. Now you see here intent, the name of the intent is I. You see here the name of the intent is I, and here is two blocks A and B. We have to set the variable names A and B and absolutely the name of the intent I, because here the intent name is I. You can see intent is I, so otherwise this will not work. So okay, now I'm running the app. I'm installing the app. Now here you see I'm writing here. If I write hello and here another text, please see our videos. Now see, here you see the share options. Now I can share via anything. So thank you for watching these videos. Please see our other videos to get knowledge about Sketchware. Thank you.